Hi, I am Johann, and this is my science experiment entitled How to Separate a Mixture by Evaporation. These are my materials: 1/4 cup water, a tablespoon of salt, a pan, and a wooden spoon for mixing the mixture, and a lighter to light the stove. First, I will put the water in the pan and put the salt inside the pan and mix it until the salt dissolves. As you can see, the salt is no longer visible on the pan. Now we will heat it up on the stove. And now I will turn on the stove and heat up the pan and let the water evaporate, and we will see what is left inside the pan. I will now turn off the stove because all the water has already been evaporated. As you can see, only the salt was left on the pan. Therefore, this concludes that you can separate mixtures using heat by evaporation. I will taste it if it is actually salt. Yup, it is most definitely salt. Thank you for watching. Bye!